Did you meet any problems if you see the speed on the car dashboard? Did you get a fine because of speed? Does anyone remind you if you were time driving? Let me introduce Innov HUD head-up displays M40. M40 can display clock, wall temperature, RPM, wattage, speed. There are two color display, white color display and blue color display. The two color is more shine and clean. You can also exchange whenever you want to display on the mirror. Water temperature with speed, RPM with speed, speed only display on mirror, wattage with speed display, clock with speed. It is easy to install between the HUD with your car. Just need to connect with the HUD with your car by OBD port. Then find the right place to fix the HUD head-up display.